Why is it not? There we are. Hi, y'all. I keep trying to get this video, and it's really not working out. So we're going to try it again. I'm getting quite a workout. This is the third time I'm trying this. All right. I guess we'll just go to our huddle. We'll get the hands up on the knees there. Lift the hips up. Deep breath in. There's cow. Chin is up. Keep the knees bent and round the back for cat. Squeeze your tummy in. It's a deep breath in for cow. And we'll round the back for cat. Cow. Cat. It's an inhale and an exhale. One more. Cow. Cat. And we roll that up. And the shoulders are down. Just bring the hands to the hips. Now move the hips in a figure eight. Oh boy, lean into it a little bit. It's a figure eight. Oh, that feels good. Go the other way. Oh, that does feel good. All right. Let's come back and we'll inhale the arms straight up and exhale back. Wow. Inhaling up and exhale back. One more. Let's bring one arm over the front and take the other over your head, and you can bend. And then switch. Oh, that's good. Stretching the side. Love that. I hope it feels good for you. And release that. We'll bring the arms up. Here's a little back bend. The hands go on the knees. We'll inhale cow and exhale a forward bend. See if you can touch the ground all the way. And then we're going up. Let's twist. Wrap the arm. And then we're going up. And we try the other side. Come on back. All right, let's try this. So, we'll step. I'm going to try to adjust this again. Ay, 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 Mary. There you go. Okay. So we'll stand with the feet nice and wide. Open them up, open them up, open up your feet. We'll turn the right foot out and drop that right arm. So right now, both legs are straight. We'll inhale and take the arm over your leg. The knee still is bent. Exhale the arm foot over your head. And then release that. That felt good. Try it again. Inhale, bend the knee, arm goes out. Exhale the arm over your head. And release that. Lovely! Do it again. Inhale and exhale. And release that. Let's switch the legs. Turn them out. So the left leg points out, right foot's pointing straight ahead. Two straight legs, drop that left arm. Inhale and bend your knee. Exhale, take the arm over your head. And release. Try it again. Inhale and exhale. Back down. One more. Inhale. Exhale. And release that. Alright. So now we'll have the feet parallel. Nice and wide and parallel. Turn the toes out. Stretch your arms out. It's 5-pointed star. And we'll bend the knees and the elbows. Goddess. Moonflower. 5-pointed star. Goddess. Moonflower. 5-pointed star. Let's do it again. Goddess. Moonflower. 5-pointed star. Let's change this a little bit. We have goddess. We'll take the hands down on the hips, and we're going to pulse. Let's lower down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come all the way up. Moonflower. Star. Falling star. Back to star. Try the other side. Yeah. Ooh, that's good. Star again. Back to star. Try the other side. One more round. Oh, that feels good. 5-pointed star. Try the other side. Come on back. Hands to the hips. We'll just bring the legs out. Shake them out. Feels good. Take the arms up and try a little back bend. Then the hands go on the knees. Inhaling cow. And rounding for cat. Let's try that forward bend. And then we're going all the way up. And release that. Alright. Drop the arms, shoulders are down, just turn your head. Try the other side. Again, turn your head. Try the other side. Turn your head, get your shoulders down. We'll take the opposite arm over the front and nod your head. Up and down, up and down. And then put the ear on your shoulder and slowly rock your head front to back. Well, that feels really good. Okay. And we'll take the chin to the chest, lift your head up. Turn your head the other way. Opposite arms over the front. Again, we're just going to nod your head. And then we'll put the ear on top of the shoulder, bring both shoulders down, and rock your head, front to back. Chin is at the chest, shoulders are down, draw a big circle in front of you with your chin. Big circle. Remember to go the other way. And we'll lift the head up. Let's take the hands together in prayer. Thanks for practicing with me. Just a little bit before the sky opens up. Thanks for being here. I hope you're having a nice day. Namaste.